Tortilla wrap stacks are all the rage on social media. They're also really delicious. What is a wrap stack? Well, it's better than any type of sandwich. I'm going to jazz it up using some tuna. It's essentially a tortilla that's been folded on itself with lots of different ingredients and then toasted in a pan. It's so yummy. To start with, you'll need some tuna. So tuna in spring water, and I'll just drain it. And I like to use a fork just to break it up. So shred that and just break up the pieces. I'll place this into a bowl. And in this tuna mayo, we'll add some spring onions just for a mild onion flavour. So I'm just going to use the light and white part and finely slice. Into the bowl. And we'll bind the whole thing together with some mayonnaise. Now I'm just using some store-bought mayonnaise. If you like, you can make your own. But I guess the whole idea of this is to show you a really fast lunch when you don't have time but you want something super delicious. Mix that together. This in itself is just so yummy. It's going to be even better with some mozzarella. Okay, first component done. Next is our salsa. I'll grab another bowl. Into the salsa, some canned black beans, just a few spoonfuls. Some corn. Now, I love to char my corn, but you can just steam your corn if you like. And we'll just slice the kernels off the cob like so. That'll do. We'll add that to our beans. Some tomatoes, just some cherry tomatoes that I'll quarter. And look, you can be creative. You can add whatever you like to this. I love this combo so much. I have this at least once a week. It's that yummy. And just for some acidity, good old lime, a squeeze of that in our salsa, a pinch of salt and some pepper. And we'll give that a mix. Now we've got all our components ready, let's start wrapping. So you'll need a large, soft, white tortilla, just like this one. Just from the centre, we're going to cut down the centre of the tortilla, okay? And imagine this in quarters. So the first quarter, we'll add our lovely tuna mayo mix. Don't overfill it, so spread it out evenly. And just leave a 2 centimetre border. Next, our salsa. And again, just sort of imagining that that's the next quarter of the circle. Lots of mozzarella. When that melts, it's going to be delicious. And finally, some spinach. And I'll pop that right onto our cheese. Now to fold it, we'll start with the empty quarter and we'll fold it on top of the cheese, press it down, fold it again onto our corn salsa, and finally onto our tuna. And that looks absolutely delicious. You've got layers of the salsa, the cheese and the tuna. So just in a pan. And we just want to toast this lightly to melt the cheese. So not on a high heat, a medium to low heat. We'll give that about a minute on each side. Cheesy and gooey, it's toasted on the outside, it is ready. That right there is the ultimate stack, and I'll cut that in half. And have a look at that. Oh, forget about the classic sandwich. It's all about the wrap stack. You can see why. Look at that gooey cheese, that tuna. Ooh, I've got to have a taste of this. So good.